Okay, today we're going to take a look at another padlock a so-called friend of mine sent me. And today's video is brought to us in part by Dexter. He's a fun guy to hang out with. And I think I have the whole set, but that's the third season. And also Four Roses Kentucky Straight Bourbon Whiskey, 40% or 80 proof. Made in Kentucky, somewhere down there. So let's take a look at this lock. So about a week ago I was sent this one. This is a new set. And it's this really huge lock, which is pretty easy to get into, but I would use this one. It's really heavy. I just don't have anything to use it on yet. But here's the new one. And let's see, this is a new set, and it's woman-owned 2-inch heavy-duty laminated padlock, double locking. Unfortunately, it's got the P65 idiotic interference label on there. You can call them toll-free and talk to them about it. And it is a laminated steel padlock, key to master lock A389, heavy duty laminated, and that's really all the information. It's got the key code on the side, nice red box. Okay, here is the lock. You can see it's the new set, heavy duty laminated, and it's got a hard end shackle, 50 mm's, kind of dusty, 50 millimeter, made you know where. So let's take a look and see and get into this. I will be using the timer. I can't guarantee getting into this really fast because it's really a nice lock. Now, and here are the keys. It's got two little brass keys. Works nice, spring loaded. So let's see if we can get into this in under 5 minutes. So here is the turning tool tensioner. See if I can get it into there. Okay, good tension, medium tension. So let's start this and see how long it takes. So I'm just using this little wave, use this one. It's a wave, single wave edition rake. Okay, stop the clock. Looks like 37 seconds. So that's not bad. It's not real good, but it's not too bad. That is the new wave, oh no, new set padlock made in China. Can't expect much more from a Chinese lock, 37 seconds. And today's cowbell is going to Four Roses Bourbon and the Dexter Show. It's a good show. Knuckle bump.